Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. As always, my name's Patrick. This week we're going to be doing a fun and easy passenger comfort upgrade. We're going to be switching out the base of our passenger seat with the base of a driver's seat to make our passenger seat 8-way adjustable, along with the heat and adjustable lumbar that it already had from the time it was installed in the 30 years it's been in use. All right, so let's take a look at what we have. We have our original passenger seat that's been in use for 30 plus years now, that's still in good condition. I think it's worth saying that Volvo 240 seats, as long as they're in good shape, are pretty excellent overall. They were never designed for hardcore, like sports handling or G-force car cornering or race days at the track or anything. But if you're just going to use it for normal everyday use and or want to jump in occasionally and cross a continent, they're pretty excellent. A lot like sitting in a nice living room chair. So we're going to take that. Okay, and we have our driver's seat donor base. This is the part that we're going for. The rails and the seat carriage. These levers give you adjustable height in front and rear on the seat. That was just standard equipment when the seats were installed on the driver's side. It's easy to miss these. They're really far underneath the seat, and unless you happen to glance through your owner's manual or be looking for them, they're just kind of hidden away and in a lot of cases probably never get used. So what we're going to do is we're just going to switch out the base of the driver's seat with the base of the passenger seat. Now we just have to put the driver's carriage that we took off of the donor seat onto the original base of the passenger seat. Guides into this original seat. We just want to make sure that the guide is flush side on the outside. So from the outside, you can just pop them in. These are the same in the back, only they're a little more narrow. And then reinstall our new base, or new used base. To do that, okay, and in just 20 minutes or so, even in a shirt and tie, we have our fun and easy passenger comfort upgrade done. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you to all of the new subscribers. Go 240 crew! And I will see you in the next episode.